guys, so we're on vacation out here in beautiful Orlando, Florida. We're staying here at the Art Animation Studios on the Lighting McQueen side over here, which is the Cars theme situation. And it's nice. It's cloudy today, guys, but it's hot. It's freaking hot. We went to Chicago a few days ago and it was also hot over there and humid and so much rain. It's crazy. But I want to show you guys the little, what do you call these things? Statues, or what do you want to call these? From the movie Cars. It actually looks like you're in the movie Cars. Look at this. Luigi's Casa del Tire. The one scene at the end where he actually meets a Ferrari and a Maserati. And then this guy falls out, this guy tips over. It's so cool. But this is really freaking cool, dude. I am very, very honored and happy to be in a situation like this, guys. Let me go this way. And we have Mater over there. And of course, the Cozy Cone Motel. No vacancies. This is so cool. Actually, you know what? Let me walk in here. Is it even open? I don't even know what it is. I want to check it out. I think it just goes into the pool, right? Yeah. Pool's right in there, guys. And then we have, of course, the one and only Mater, the Intimidator. This is freaking cool. Look at this. Look at this, guys. Let's get a little bit closer here. This is freaking cool. Look at this. What's up, dude? You are one of my, actually, you're my favorite, to be honest with you. Mater. We have this guy. You know who that is, right? Well, actually, it's the chick. It's that guy's chick. But here in a few seconds, I'm gonna go this way right here. And I'm gonna show you guys, and I can't because he's actually under a paint job. See, it's the same exact sign I had last time. But McQueen was over here. So where the hell is he going? Where is Ramon going? All right, it looks like McQueen is back. Last time I was here in February of 2026, this guy was covered because it had a new paint job. That's what they were saying. It's pretty cool, actually. They did a nice job. He looks sharp, man. Look at this. This is really cool. Very cool. And then we have, of course, the Porsche salad. I came here at nighttime, and so this was really dark, but now here during the day. It's like almost the size of a Carrera. Almost. Not quite yet, but it is. I like this one a lot. And she's hot. Lighting McQueen and Sally at the Wheel Well Motel. And the pool's over here. The Cozy Cone Motel. That's the pool right there. Some choppers up there. Art Animation Studios right here, guys. Oh, and then that guy.